Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I just want to start off this vlog here right now, but I am super duper tired. Like, I'm so tired. So it's still a Saturday. Today is 20th of May and I'm starting a new vlog this evening. The kids are asleep and I just want to prep. I was supposed to cook today, but I was so busy, and when I got back home I was so tired. As you can see from my face, I'm still very tired. So I just want to prep everything and keep, probably when I come back from church tomorrow, then I'll just do the cooking. So yes, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, you're welcome. Please be kind enough to click that subscribe button and join the family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to my old subscribers, I love you all so much. So right now I want to prep the salad. I want to do, like, okay, this video, I didn't even say what this video is all about. So this is just like meal prep, like my birthday party meal prep. It's not a big party per se. It's just a party for the family, husband and I and the kids, party of 5. So everything just going to be small. So we just want to do a little bit of, you know, eating and play some games and dance and, you know, celebrate birthday. Yep, I just want to carry you guys along the prep process. Enough talking, let's get food prepping. So guys, I was trying to say that this cabbage is too small for 400 naira. Something that's supposed to give someone for 100 naira also. Nigeria.
She's blue and white.
Go and check up whether you see that leg. Hey.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it duller. Be a student, tie to make $1. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get those good vibrations. Oh, glowing so bright, I'm going so high. I'm riding high and it's just so loving what I do, and I know nothing gets me down, 'cause I can turn it round like. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like, I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around, like, I'm feeling good now.
So guys, I want to ask, like, how do you guys, you know, add cucumbers to your salad? How do you add yours? Like, do you peel off the back, the skin of the cucumber before adding it like I just did mine, or do you leave it with the back on? Tell me in the comment section. So the next day I'm going to boil some eggs and add to this salad. That's just because I was just so tired this night.
Oh, up, got me saying wow, wow. Oh, wow. Glowing so bright, I'm going so high. I'm riding high and it's just so loving what I do, and I know nothing gets me down, 'cause I can turn it round like. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like,
So guys, I had this macaroni in the freezer and you see what NEPA has done to me. I wanted to use it for this and I just realized it has, you know, it has this odor, so I had to throw it out. Nigeria and light, your things will just be spoiling every day. Oh my lord, please excuse my baby.
I'm feeling good and yet I'm feeling great. Every time I look around, it's like it's in my face. Yeah, nothing in this world is taking that away. Cause my people are my people, I'm not running in your race. But I run real hard like a track star. I don't gotta run hard just to get far. Cause I work real hard, but then I play harder. That's how I know that I'ma get farther. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like, whoa, whoa. I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around, like whoa, whoa. I'm feeling good now. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like whoa, whoa.
Day 2.
So guys, I'm already back from church and I just want to pick up some things in the supermarket. Yep, I'm using the back camera so in case you cannot see my face or I cannot see my head or whatever, I'll do a voiceover. Everybody say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Yeah, Fortune is sleeping. Okay guys.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it duller. Be a suit and tie to make $1. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get those good vibrations. Oh, glowing so bright, I'm glowing so low. I'm riding high and it's just closer. Loving what I do and I know nothing gets me down. Cause I can turn it round like wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like whoa, whoa. I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around, like whoa, whoa. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. Feeling like a top-down summer. I've been on the rise, it's a come up. No, I don't gotta try, I'm a natural stunner. Hitting home runs like a baseball runner. Yeah, I just go up, never coming down, down. Good things show up, got me saying wow, wow. Oh, wow. Glowing so bright, I'm glowing so low. I'm riding high and it's just closer. Loving what I do and I know nothing gets me down. Cause I can turn it round like wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like whoa, whoa. I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around, like whoa, whoa. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. Yeah, I'm feeling good and yet I'm feeling great. Every